Hi guys, this is Gokul from Techy, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hack this site realistic mission number 7 and get into the realistic missions. And here we are gonna enter what's right for America. A homophobic head group is spreading their conservative propaganda of blind obedience and bigoted warmongering. Have Terrence activists take over their website of ignorance and discrimination. Take this challenge. And now difficult rating is moderate. Here's the website to be hacked. In this case we are gonna access the admin section and bypass the administrator password using the John the Ripper. Click there. Here's the site. Get into patriotism, and we can see the basic level of PHP running PHP server side using a directory. Click on long live bush and you choose bush.txt. Look the best as what.txt, and it tells us it is included into the directories. And click on view page source. After seeing that, we observe that each images are open from the images chart slash. Copy these, paste in the check this, paste here, and go in there. We can see the admin section there. Click on admin section. We get your username and password to be entered, and the username is default for everyone that is administrator, and the password to be bypassed. Get back to the same page there. After going there, get into any category, place the directory images slash admin slash dot ht password, and the password hash has been saved here. View page source. This is gonna take some, and here's the password, username and the password for the administrator, and the hash value of the password is somewhat. And here I'm gonna make the text file as hts7. Open that and paste here the password. Save it. Yeah. And here's the zip file for John the Ripper. Extract into your desktop wherever you want. Now just rename it as John. Copy this, enter into this PC. Just go to a C disk, paste there. Open that, and on the run directory we are gonna drag this move to the run directory. Here we are gonna crack the password now from the command prompt. In the get into a C directory, cd slash John cd space run and John space hts7.txt, and loaded one password hash. Yeah, and the trying shadow use. Yeah, the I'm gonna make this big, so here's the password shadow, and get into back to a site and just go to admin. Sorry, that's images. Yeah, right there, and click on admin give as administrator, and the password is shadow. Click on sign in. So administrator, the password is shadow. Congratulations, good job. Techy have successfully completed mission 7. Hey, we have completed our mission 7. Then we are gonna enter into our next mission. To get notified, get subscribe, share, subscribe, and comment fast comments on your opinions. Thanks for seeing this video, and bye.